If you're considering upgrading your kitchen with a versatile and healthier cooking appliance, the COSORI TurboBlaze 6-quart air fryer might be exactly what you need. With a compact design and a generous 6-quart capacity, it's perfect for families or anyone who enjoys preparing quick, delicious meals with less oil and mess. This air fryer stands out for its TurboBlaze technology, which features a powerful 5-speed fan system that circulates hot air at up to 3,600 RPM. This means your food cooks faster and more evenly, delivering crispy textures and juicy interiors without needing to drench everything in oil. In fact, you can enjoy your favorite fried foods with up to 95% less oil, ideal for those watching their fat intake or cooking for kids and seniors with dietary concerns. What makes this model truly convenient is its wide temperature range of 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and its 9-in-1 cooking functions. You can roast, bake, reheat, broil, proof dough, dehydrate, and more, all with one simple appliance. The control panel is user-friendly, and the customizable preheat option allows you to skip or enable preheating based on the recipe. If you're in a hurry, the air fryer's fast turbo modes and automatic shutoff give you peace of mind and efficiency at the same time. In my personal experience, I was a bit skeptical at first. My wife had been wanting an air fryer, and I finally gave in. Now, I'm glad I did. We've cooked frozen fish fillets and fries in just 15 minutes, and the results were excellent. The fries came out perfectly crispy after finishing them for a few extra minutes once the fillets were done. It's easy to use, quick to clean, and the non-stick basket is dishwasher safe. There are a few things to keep in mind. Lightweight foods can shift during cooking if turbo mode is on, so it's best to avoid that setting for thin items. Also, make sure to check the envelope in the box. It includes a detailed manual and a recipe book with over 30 dishes and tips. If you're looking for an air fryer that combines performance, quiet operation, and easy cleanup, this COSORI model is a great choice. It offers reliable, fast cooking and helps you prepare healthier meals without sacrificing flavor or crunch.